Hi Year 3, welcome back to our final week of maths. Now I hope because it's the last week that doesn't mean your brains are starting to switch off. One more week and then you're ready for your summer break. Now today we are still solving more problems to do with mass and using grams and kilograms. Now let's look at our first guided practice today. Hannah used 56 grams of chocolate to make a batch of brownies. Ruby used twice as much chocolate to make her brownies. How much chocolate did Ruby use? Now, the important word here is twice. Can you remember what twice means? So twice means 2 times as much. Look at the tw should be a clue because it's the same as 2. So what we need to do, we need to double or multiply by 2 Hannah's ingredients. So 56 times 2. Let's start with our ones. 6 times 2 we know is 12, but we can't put the 1 and the 2 into the ones column, so we keep the 2 and we regroup the 110. Oh, nearly gave you the answer there. Then we need to do the tens. So 5 times 2 is 10, and add the 1 that we regrouped makes 11. Now because we don't have any hundreds, we don't need to regroup, so we can just put them both at the bottom. So that means that Ruby used 112 grams of chocolate. Now question number 2. The red bag is 4 times as heavy as the blue bag. How heavy is the red bag? Now this is quite a tricky question, so I'm going to use bar models to help to explain it. Now we know that we have the blue bag and the red bag is 1, 2, 3, 4 times as heavy. Now if we look at the scales, the red bag and the blue bag together make 40 grams, or 40 kilograms, sorry. So if we move our blue bag over here, we can say that this in total makes 40, oh sorry, that should be kilograms, 40 kilograms. Now how many parts are there to that 40 kilograms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to find out how much each part is worth, we need to divide 40 by 5. Now how many 5s are in 40? Let's count in our 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we know that 40 divided by 5 is 8. So that means that I've made the same mistake here, 3, I'm sorry. I've just said in grams, but it should be in kilograms. So just ignore that I've made a bit of an error. You can tell it's the last week. So each part is worth 8 kilograms. Now if we want to find out how heavy the red one is, how many parts of 8 do we have? We have 1 part of 8, 2, 3, 4. So to find the total of the red ones, we have to multiply 8 by 4. So 8 times 4, let's count in our 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So that means the red bag is 32 kilograms, not grams. Now our final question today. A small pack of peanuts weighs 12 grams. A large pack of peanuts weighs 3 times as much as a small pack of peanuts. Find the total mass of 2 small packets and a large pack. Now the first thing we need to do is to find out how heavy is a large pack of peanuts. So if we know a small packet is 12 grams and a large packet is 1, 2, 3 times as much. Now we should know this from our 3 times tables. 3 times 12. Now I know straight away 3 times 10 is 30. Add another 3 would be 33 and another 3 to make 12 threes would be 36 grams. Now the question said find the total mass of 2 small packets and 1 large packet. So that's going to be 12, add 12, add 36. So here we have 1 small packet, 2 small packets and a large packet. We're just going to use column method for this. So 2, add 2, add 6. 6 add 2 makes 8, add another 2 makes 10. Now we know we need to put our 0 in the ones column and regroup the 1. Now we've got 3, add 1 makes 4, add another 1 makes 5, and another 1 makes 6. So the total is 60 grams. Okay, Now, please don't make the same mistake I made. Make sure you read your units carefully and use the bar models to help you to solve the answer to the questions. And then I'll see you tomorrow for our final guided practice to do with maths. Bye guys.